Tired of typing in your password every single time you need to check your Capital One balance? Let's be honest, juggling a separate username and a complex password just to glance at your account is a chore. In a world where every app demands a unique sign-in, the last thing you need is another set of credentials slowing you down. But you also want to keep your money safe. So, what's the secret to getting that perfect balance of lightning-fast access and ironclad security? The answer is Face ID and Touch ID. They are the easiest, fastest, and most secure ways to get into your Capital One mobile app. They use your unique fingerprint or your face to instantly verify your identity, turning a 30-second login hassle into a quick glance or a tap. I'm here to walk you through the super simple steps to enable this biometric login, so you can spend less time typing and more time managing your money. First things first, before you do anything in the Capital One app, you need to make sure Face ID or Touch ID is already set up and working on your phone. This is done through your device's main settings menu, not the bank app itself. If you can unlock your phone with your face or your finger, you're good to go. Now, let's jump into the Capital One mobile app. Step 1. Sign into the app. Open the Capital One app and sign in using your standard username and password, just this one last time. Step 2. Navigate to Security Settings. Once you are signed in, look for the Profile tab on the bottom toolbar and tap it. In some versions of the app, this might be a More menu. From the Profile screen, look for and select Security or Security Settings. Step 3. Find the biometric option. Inside the Security menu, you'll see a section for sign-in options. The exact wording will depend on your device, but you're looking for either sign-in option or the dedicated Face ID settings or Touch ID settings. Step 4. Enable the feature. Tap on the sign-in option and you will see a toggle switch next to use fingerprint or facial recognition. Tap the toggle to turn the feature on. The app will then prompt you to use your device's biometric scanner to confirm. This is just a final security check to ensure it's you. Place your finger on the sensor or let your phone scan your face one more time. That's it. Biometric login is now enabled. The next time you open the Capital One app, you'll be greeted with a request to use your face or your fingerprint. No more passwords to type. It's fast, it's safe, and it saves you time every day. And don't worry, if you ever need to turn it off, you can simply go back to the security settings and flip that toggle back to the off position. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.